There are those who violate environmental rules. I am giving due notice to the LGUs and other stakeholders, kayo po, of tourist destinations to take extra steps in the enforcement of our laws and the protection of our environment. On January 27, 2019, we officially started the Manila Bay rehabilitation. Though we have a long way to go, we are encouraged by the test results of the waters near Padre Faura. We will relocate informal settlers. I hope it can happen during my time along the waterways and shut down establishments that continue to pollute and poison our waters. Make a choice. I'm going to malaki ba yung building dyan? I'm going to dismantle your building or just simply burn it down so that we can have a new setup of environmental friendly, whatever that means. Boracay Island is just the beginning, and the girls there, the foreigners, are waiting for you, gentlemen, to visit the place. They are all on the beach sunbathing.